Hello, I am Alex. I am ready to apply for the position of tour guide with many years of experience in the tourism industry and deep knowledge of Nariño. I am confident I can offer visitors a unique and memorable experience. My passion for history, culture, and nature has led me travel, study, and explore Nariño and I am eager to share my knowledge with visitors, my experience managing groups, and my ability to communicate effectively allow me to create a relaxed and fun environment for visitors, providing interesting and accurate information about the place we visit. For hear more and committed to quality and service excellence, I strive to ensure each visitor has a personalized and a memorable experience, and I am always willing to go above and beyond to meet your needs and expectations. I am particularly interested in the position because I am eager to join your team and contribute your company success. Thank you for considering my application. I am ready to discuss who I can contribute to your company success as a tour guide. I am confident that my patience, knowledge, and experience make me ideal for this position. Thank you and bye.